Hi there. Ever since I started my online business, a lot of people are sending me questions and asking me how did I make it, or how did I eventually move from being working 14 hours job, how did I to starting a business online. Because a lot of people have tried to do it and failed. They seem not to even get to the point where they even made a penny out of it, and in fact they lost a whole lot of money trying to start a business online. Now, to get things straight, I used SFM business training, and what I want you to understand is SFM, because a lot of people still ask again, what is SFM about? How can SFM help them, or how can SFM encourage them to leave their job so that they can spend time with their children, or how can they work? They want to be geographically free. How can all these various questions people do have? And what I want to say to you here is SFM I want you to see SFM as a vehicle. It's a company that teaches people how to transition from being an employee to a business owner. So it's like a roadmap for you to follow. Now, but that is, they don't have anything to give you. The work that you have to understand has to be, there's only one thing that needs to change. That is you. And that's what I'm trying to get you to understand, because if you can't change yourself, if you don't know yourself, because let me tell you this, if you don't know yourself, you can't make money online. If I ask you now, who are you? You tell me your name. Look at the person next to you, ask them, who are you? They will tell you their name. And you want to start a business online, you want to quit your job, you want to spend time with your children, but you don't even know who you are. Your name is just a label they gave you. Who are you? See, when I got into SFM in module 2, which cost about $297 to even get into that training, where Stewart starts working with you on the mindset alone. Because if you can't change because he specifically positioned that module 2 in the beginning, in your trial period, because he knows he wants to breed people that will be successful. So because if you can't change your mindset, chances are you will fail in the business before you get to module 3. So that he expects you to, you should be open to changing your mindset. That's why that the 297 is refundable. They can refund, but he needs to get you to understand that needs to change. Because if you don't know who you are, chances are you must have lost money, or you will stay in a job, you wouldn't be able to spend time with your children. All these wishes that you have in your mind, that it will be like a dream. You'll just be dreaming all day. Now, I'd like you to Google this, because this is what I began to understand, and which really helped me in the training myself. Now, Google this. He said it's by Lasuzo. He said studying, I can't remember this. Studying others is intelligence, but studying yourself, that's strength. Studying yourself is wisdom. Sorry, my dear. Then mastering others is strength, and mastering yourself is through power. Now, what's the power he's talking about? What's the power Lasuzo is talking about? And if you go to the Bible, God will say, I have given you dominion over everything on earth. How can you dominate if you don't have power? You need power to dominate. So if you don't know yourself, how are you going to know where? So let me tell you this. If you don't understand how the conscious and the subconscious mind works, chances are you're going to go through life thinking some people are supposed to be wealthy and some people are supposed to be poor. We are all equal. We are all equal in the eyes of God. You just have to understand how that works. And when Jesus Christ was leaving, he said to his disciples, I will leave you with something, the Holy Spirit. Now, where is that Holy Spirit in you? It's the conscious mind. That's the source of thoughts. That's why you can dream. You can feel, I can have this. It's the good part of you. That's why you can dream. Yeah, I could change my life. That's why but the problem we have is the subconscious mind, which is underneath, is the one that controls us. It's the one that You can entertain yourself consciously, have good thoughts. I could change my life, I could quit my job and I could start a business. But in reality, the subconscious is controlling you. It's controlling you. So like now, let me tell you a very, very good example. You could driving downtown now. Basically, you're not thinking. You're just because you know how to shift the gear. But initially, before you started learning, you were driving from the conscious mind. You were thinking it through. That's why the strangest secret said, you will become what you think about. Where did thoughts come from? The conscious mind. So if you don't, to change, the only thing you need to do is to understand yourself. The SFM is just the vehicle that will take you on that path, because the strangest secret said you have to be in some sort of a vehicle. Because this 9 to 5 that you're in now, you're looking to quit, you're struggling to cope with time, you're under stress, anxiety. I was working 14 hours every single day, 7 days a week. I was not going to church. I was not taking my kids to church. I was not having time to follow them in after schools and all these things, activities kids do. I never had time for that. Why? I was working because I was thinking I need to earn more money. I need to work extra, work. That was what I was thinking. But to change, with module 2, where Stuart starts walking you through that, you need to understand how to change the subconscious. And how do you change this? Go to the Bible. It's there. You have to be like a child. You have to go back to learning mode. Go back to learning mode. One way to learn is you hypnotize yourself. I say this every time. I say this on my you must learn how to, you can do that listening to audios, motivational messages. I was listening to Les Brown every single day for about a year. It's not over until I win. I was listening to it. That's one way to learn. You must listen because that will empower you. Then the other way to learn is repetition. Repetition. You have to, as a child, what do? 2 times 1, 2, 2 times 2, 4, 2 times 6. You master, you sing it. After a while, it sticks in the subconscious mind, so you know it for life. That's it. You go back to chat, you learn it. And the other way you can learn is by, which is the one I don't recommend, whack, boom, on the subconscious mind. You lose that job now. All of a sudden, your back is on the wall. All of a sudden, you say, I can't. You get insulted by at work. I can't go back to this company again. I hate this. Or you put down your resignation, you quit, and you start looking for something. And this is where most people wait before they make any shift in their life. So if you don't understand yourself, if you don't understand who you are personally, which I recommend you start doing some studies about yourself, chances are any training you see in online business, or you want to start quit your job, how to work from home, all these things that you're seeing, if you don't take time to understand who you are, I'll tell you who you are. You are a spiritual being living in a physical body. That's why you're still listening to me. If I speak, God said, I am evenly present at all places at the same time. So He is in me, He is in you. When I speak that language, you connect. If you hear the truth, you shall know it. It's all there. It's all there. It's very fundamental. But to your subconscious mind, you are trained to tell you that money is the root of all evil. If you grew up in a poor background or poor home, they will tell you money does not grow on trees. Who said that? But he says that there is abundance in the universe. Which one do you? There's a tug of war in your mind all the time. That's why the SFM application fee is only $29. You struggle to pay it. Why? Because you don't understand yourself. This push shove. It's not that if you lose $29 you will die. You won't. That's why most people struggle. It's that tug of war. You don't understand it. I can't. The subconscious is there. The subconscious is there. Conscious. I can't. It's working. But this is, if you read The Magic of Believing, he said if you put the two of them in the same room, constantly the negative will always win. If you look at your surroundings, you become of the average of the 5 people you surround yourself with. Look at your friends. If none of your friends have made $10,000 a month, what are your chances of making it? It's impossible. Are you going to break it? You need to break away. I don't mean you should leave them or anything, but it will happen naturally. That's why these trainings are there. So If you're thinking SFM is the problem for you or SFM can help you, no, you need to start understanding who you are, and that's what stewards gets you to understand in module 2. I wish you all the best. I hope you like what I'm sharing with you, and if you like it, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Apart from that, this is another video from Paschal. I wish you all the best. If you want to join my webinar, it's like everybody, I tell everybody, you see me on YouTube now, I don't run away. I host webinars every single Saturday of the month. Every Saturday. Come and join me. This online thing that you see, I'm not like those people you see online, they disappear. Every Saturday, join the group. Let's see what we are doing. We are accountability partners. We work. See, I have not really, you might be looking at me, oh, this guy is successful like that. No. I'm still in the trenches. I'm experiencing this thing as I go. That's why I'm sharing it with you. I hope you can draw some value out of it and act. The only thing that cures procrastination is action. I'll see you on the next one. Take care, guys. Bye-bye.